Hi and welcome to a new video. This time I'm going to be taking a look at this mouse and I'm going to show you how to replace one of the clicking buttons. So as you can see, this works fine, but this does not. And I'm going to take everything I need from this other one, which is broken. So this works, and this also works. But here it's not working as it should. So I'm going to put everything on fast forward and show you guys the final result. Alright, so I don't know if you can hear, but this one is clicking good and has some resistance, but this one you can barely hear it and has almost no resistance when clicking. I mean, it still works, but it doesn't work as well. So for this button, all you have to do is desolder these 2 points here and take it out. And so that's what I'm gonna do now. Alright, so everything is put back together, so let's hear it. Okay, so that's something else. Okay, now let's put the mouse back together. I mean, I have to fit the wire here and then put the cover, the screw, and then I'm gonna show you guys if it works or not. Alright, so let me show you that it works. So if it's here, that's the middle click, right click, and normal click. So everything works, and I want to thank you guys for the 87 subscribers that I have. Hope to get much more, and see you guys next time.